In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your LinkedIn account. Whether you're looking to take a break from the platform or permanently move on from it, I'll guide you through each step to ensure it's a smooth process. So let's get started and make sure your LinkedIn exit is as stress-free as possible. First, you'll want to open the LinkedIn app on your device. This is where the entire process begins. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in the app, take a look at the top left corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. This will give you access to your profile options. A second tap on your profile icon will bring you directly to your profile page. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a gear icon there. This is your settings access point, so go ahead and tap on it. This will lead you to various settings, but we're aiming for the account settings today. Scroll all the way down to the bottom part of the page until you find the option labeled Close and Delete Account. Go ahead and tap on that. You might see a message pop up and LinkedIn will express how sorry they are to see you go. It's a standard farewell message from them, so tap on Continue to move forward. As you proceed, you'll be asked to choose a reason for leaving LinkedIn. This is entirely up to you and can be a good moment for feedback if you wish. Once you've selected a reason, tap Next to continue. At this point, you'll need to enter your password. This is a security measure to ensure that you are authorizing this action. Just below the password entry, you might notice an option to unsubscribe from LinkedIn email communications, including invitations. If you'd like to stop receiving emails from LinkedIn, don't forget to tap on that option. After filling in your password and adjusting the email preferences if needed, tap Done. And that's it. Your account deletion process is now complete. It's as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to this channel for more helpful tutorials, and if you want to stay updated on future uploads, be sure to click the bell icon. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.